Hi guys, hello and welcome. This is Ronda Trader channel. Today I wanted to make a video for those who are considering crypto passive income but haven't yet started it. First thing first, we choose a platform, so let us begin with BYBIT Registration. Hey, let's get right down to BYBIT Registration. Everyone starts with these simple steps that I'm showing here. If you wonder how to start trading, you need to know how to make it right. So we go and hit sign up on bybit.com. There we see our create account form and we provide our email. And we also make up a new and safe password. Hit create account. Now we go through verification. That contains two parts. The second requires the code from your email. After you enter it, do not rush to follow crypto purchase as suggested here. I recommend going to account and security first in order to accomplish a very important step, that is your identity verification, KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer, by the way. Once people get to level 1, they acquire a set of verified user benefits, more security, more transactions, and withdrawal freedom. That keeps me out of extra fuss in exchange for ID and a selfie. I want to be prepared here, especially since it takes under 10 minutes. So let us take a look at buy crypto with one click buy P2P, fiat and crypto deposits. If you start, you actually probably go with fiat deposit, which is currency, and put amount before giving further payment details. I recommend one more option. Take a look at P2P and you shall see a whole list of sellers with some very attractive offers for you. As soon as your deposit gets to you, you are ready to go. Don't worry if you have to wait some minutes here, it is safe and secure. Market tab keeps us updated. Trade tab gives options on trading. And I usually choose derivatives, my favorite USDT perpetuals. So let me show you how I get to trading with my favorite Ethereum US dollar pair. Take a look. So here we have the overall view, and that traditionally goes with candle chart. By the way, we have a nice set of indicators for our service here. That's really helpful. Down goes trading volume, and we see order book on the right side that's palpitating with market moves and live. Alright, and on the right side there is form for your orders, limit, market or conditional. That depends on a full scope of conditions. Let's pay attention to this top part that helps you choose your margin mode. I choose 25, even though it's not recommended. Take your time, make some calculations, pay attention to that. That's really important. You can always check it on the top. Then we go below, and there we can find current contract details. On the right side with activity log to do with positions, closed P&L, active conditional, field sections that finishes with auto history. Now you know what to start with. Please join me in my sessions, watch and learn, and have a lucky trading day. See you in BYBIT. Fine, so we're ready to go day trading, and let me show you what I do in BYBIT platform. Let us take a look. We start with $20 deposit today. Let us take a look what we can do with it. Starting with Ethereum US dollar pair, and unfortunately we do not see any trend at the current moment, at that moment now, but what we see is sideways phase when our price is jumping up and down within support resistance zone that we shall mark with two lines here. You can see that the price is within the zone right now, which does not call us for action unless it reaches one of the borders. Yes, like this. As you can see, it is at the bottom border, which calls us for long, because we expect it to bounce up, which means the next line that we put should go lower, that should go below our limit, and we put that aligned with previous low shadows. Let's make it orange. Nice. And as for our take profit, let us think of where we expect our price to come. Possibly... No, just give me a second. I guess in that situation we are waiting for the price to go up. Yes, I think that should reach our top zone border, and it goes at 1220. 1220 sharp. Order submitted. As you can see, that goes in 3 steps. So we place our limit, we put the price to open the order, and then we wait.
A few minutes later.
Well, just look at it. It takes some patience and some time, but I'm sure that our plan is going to work. Yes, wonderful. Thank you. And we've got our small, but still we've got some profit and can go on look for some other opportunities. Okay, we continue day trading with BYBIT platform with $21 US, and I suggest that we continue taking chances with Ethereum US dollar pair. What do we see here? We see quite a channel that's support resistance zone, and we open short with this limit here, waiting for the price to come to that point. And if it does, we definitely expect it not to go up because we opened short, which means we put our stop loss above, a bit higher, and wait to get our position open.
A few minutes later.
Fine, everything's going great. So we got our position open now. It's time to think about take profit line. What do you think? We expect the price to descend. How far should it go? We could align it with the candles, shadows here. It definitely should go to the reachable point, so we do not fantasize here. Let us put it at 18, like that. Let us modify. I think that it is going to reach this point of 1218.5. That is not too far. We are ready. Let's give it some time.
A few minutes later.
Okay, yes, wonderful. As you can see, the entire order is filled. The price went where we wanted, and we've got $23 US now. I welcome you, dear friends, to try and take one more challenge in Ethereum US dollar pair with 23 bucks deposit with me. Let us see what we have here in the current situation. I guess that is a classic moment of overlapping trends. It happens from time to time. That is when we see such a triangle form, and as long as the price remains within this level, within this triangle, we do not take any further steps because we expect it to break out. After that, we can expect some strong move. Well, that means it shall also take some of our time for consideration. That could probably show any behavior. Think, what do you expect here? What's your forecast? Every detail is important, but they do not change anything for us unless we are confident enough. We probably see the price moving up. I suggest putting a limit of 19.7 and requesting short. As soon as we get the price at our limit, we can start our order, our deal. We go short, which means we need our stop loss a bit higher. Let us align this line. Let's make it orange so that it's different. Let's align it with this high. That certainly means that we were wrong if the price crosses that point. And as for take profit, we can probably see it with this low. Why not? I think we can put that, yep, like this at 16 sharp. Like that. Nice. So we got our position, stop loss and take profit. Now what we do is go and take a cup of tea.
A few minutes later.
One of the most stressing moments in every trade is when you expect and you're waiting, you're looking at these final figures, you're looking at all the last candles and pushing them mentally. You're like, come on, come on. We are right about our prediction, we are right about the direction of the price, but I suggest that we modify our limit so that we get some profit sooner. That is quite comfortable, that is so convenient that you can change what number you choose, what level you choose. Come on, come on, come on! Wonderful! Our entire order has been filled, that's great. And we've got 28 US dollars in our deposit as a result. Why not think of something else today? I feel like taking one more chance with my 28 bucks deposit, and what is interesting here, let me show you. I'm looking at Ethereum US dollar pair with BYBIT platform, seeing this wonderful, a bit creepy trend. That's a bit controversial. You can see that it has interesting medium part, and here in the end it seems like it's already going to be broken, and still we can try and set our limit to try and go short. I suggest going short, which means that we need our stop loss. Let's put our stop loss line a bit higher, just a bit higher, not to get involved in the opposite growing trend if that gets born. Nice. All right, I guess we can align our take profit here with this these lows, with those couple lows, and we shall put that around 12 or 06, something like that. Let's modify it into Yep, so we're submitted, we've got our position, stop loss and take profit. Maybe one more cup of tea?
A few minutes later.
Yes, 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 yeah! Wonderful! I give my congratulations to the overall success of today. Now we've got 30, almost 32 US dollars in our deposit, which makes me even more inspired to continue my practice. Thank you for watching. Please join me in my next trading sessions. Have a lucky trading day, and I'll be back with you.